as far as the dramatic pictures that continue to come in. Beyond that is concerned, as far as the police there resorting to using tear gas shells, water cannons that has been used, barricades that has been reported, they have been broken. And even when it comes to if the police is not allowing the protesters to move forward, sit-in dharnas that are also being organized on part of the protesters. We have Shreya, we have Sabyasachi, Tapas also with us as ground reports that have been coming in, first playing out right here on Times Now. Sabyasachi, please continue giving us the updates that are now coming in on what exactly is happening right now.
Well, let me straight away take the visuals out here that the West Bengal police have been successful in pushing back the protesters. Partially, the road has been cleared. Some of the protesters are still there near the Satragachi railway station at the service road. A few minutes back, again, tussle broke out. The police had to fire several rounds of tear gas shells. There was stone being pelted by the protesters. A few of the police personnel as well as the protesters, in fact, have sustained injuries. Now the police is continuously detaining the protesters. Now on the screen you can see on the service road some of the protesters are holding the national flag, are still there in front of the Satragachi subway, which is right in front of the Satragachi railway station. Some of them are here, but largely the West Bengal police have been successful in pushing back the protesters from the Satragachi railway station back, because this particular area is extremely crucial, because from this particular location the Nabarno is just 3 kilometers away, and that is the reason why massive amount of security personnel was deployed here. We have lost a number of tear gas shells which has been fired out here. The West Bengal police in fact resorted multiple times to lathi charge to disperse the crowd. Meanwhile, a handful of protesters are still protesting in front of the Satragachi railway station. Meanwhile, the Rapid Action Forces, the Kolkata police is still on alert.
All right. Well, the protesters that has been, halted, they are at some point at the back there, but they continue with their protest, holding the tricolors. We have Tapas as well joining us right now. Tapas, are we looking at a brief halt, or have the protesters now been able to be pushed back by the police?
Well, the protesters have been pushed back. You can see that a police force now is penetrating inside the Bara Bazar area where the crowd was gathering slowly and steadily. It's almost 45 minutes now that it was only a standoff between the protesters and the police forces. And now here in this very place, the protesters were standing for almost an hour and blocking the road. And police now have moved in, penetrating this Bara Bazar area. This main road has been taken over by Kolkata police. If I'll show you the bylanes where the gatherings have happened, they are also trying to clear these gatherings and putting barricades and guardrails so that do not come here, come inside the barricades. And the barricades are being broken by the protesters there, and they are trying to show police that I'll show you here. I'll show you here that these bylanes remains to be very sensitive, and and police is trying to completely clear these barricades so that the road can be opened. But as of now, the large number of crowd which was seen earlier is not there. They have been pushed back. Only few protesters are protesting here on road. The barricades are being broken. Here police is standing right now, and slowly police is making their way towards the protesters, trying to stop them. But the massive force behind me is standing at a standby mode, because Howrah Bridge is not far away from this place, and trying to contain the moment so that situation do not go out of hand, and the law and order situation does not arises from here. But police have not exerted any force as of now. Police is standing and watching. Some police officers went there to negotiate with the protesters to leave this way, to clear this entire area, and so that this road could be opened for public and vehicular movement. But The protesters, a few in number though, at this moment here are protesting, completely barricading this road, and they do not want to negotiate with the police. So you can see they are holding national flags in their hand, and police on the other hand is standing and trying to hold them back. They're clapping hands at police, and they are saying that they want justice, they demand justice. That's what kind of a situation that we are observing at the moment here at Bara Bazar area, not very far from Howrah Bridge, at least a kilometer from Howrah Bridge, where the action started in the morning, in the afternoon we had seen, and now the protesters have gathered slowly once again, though not very big in number, but the police barricades have been overturned here, and they are protesting with national flags in their hand, and they're continuously chanting slogans that we want justice here. Police remains to be a mute spectator here, and they're trying to make their point that why brutal was applied on them, why were they charged with lathis, why tear gas shells were fired upon them. So this is the situation right now, though not very volatile, but the standoff continues between the Kolkata police. And on the other hand, if I show you, huge number of force have been mobilized in this place, and there's only difference of few hundred meters that police forces standing on standby. There are two tires which have
দেশের লোক সঙ্গে হাতাহাতি হচ্ছে অন্য কেউ না
is standing
না 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 না
and there is barricade on the other side. So
Distance as far as the
situation here.
protesters who have been pushed back to the area there, the police also standing in standby. The forces that have been deployed in large numbers there. It's been some time that we are looking at any dramatic change in events that has been taking place. As of now, many of those protesters that have also been detained. Shreya, where they have been taken as far as those who have been detained, there are others who are also now indulging in sit-in dharnas. Wherever they have been pushed back to, they are protesting right there.
Well, of course, right now we are reporting live from MG Road, and look how the entire road has been turned into a battleground. This is the police force who is deployed on one side of the road, and very interestingly on the other side, look at the protesters. So at this point in time, what the police is doing is that they are chasing the protesters with lathis, and then we see police is taking the capture of MG Road once again. Remember, this is the very place, College Square, where this crowd have gathered around 12 p.m. and they were marching towards Nabanno. Nabanno is around 10 kilometers away from College Square. Now there in Howrah Setu, there was a huge confrontation between the protesters and the police. Continuously tear gas and water cannon was used for a period of 40 minutes. Now even we saw the protesters after also water cannon was used.
Well,
They were trying
Tapas
to
is
break the
also with us
barricades.
right now.
Trying to-
Tapas, has there been any change in the situation right now? What's happening?
Well, police is now have once again resorted to use of tear shells. We have seen how
পাত্রদা
by
এরা কারা
pelting and police had to resort to four structures and tear shells fired. You can see the protest. They were pelting stones at the police. The police was at a standby mode and were trying to douse the situation, but it seems far from over now. The protesters carrying the national flag were barricades and tried to overturn that, and a car was coming towards police trying to charge at them, and police had to fire a number of tear shells once again. The situation is far from over. You can see another tear shell is being prepared.
স্টাফ
Number of tear shells are being used to disperse the crowd. Though this crowd is not very huge, they are less in number, but since they are charging at police, they are showing hostility as per police. Henceforth, the police had to disperse them so that they use tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. As of now, they are staying a little far away from the protesters, trying to disperse them. The senior officials of the Kolkata police are standing here right now and deliberating with officers as to how to control the crowd. They had gained control here, but huge number of crowd, not the huge number of crowd, but a considerable amount of gathering have taken place here in Bara Bazar area. and they were trying to charge at the police, and police had to resort to lathi charge.
Well, are there negotiations also taking on part of the police with the protesters to be pushed back?
You can see police is charging now. Well, yes, protesters are on road. They are pelting stones at police, and police is trying to push them back using tear shells. But these violence remains to be very vital, and these violence are also being cleared by police. But the huge turnout that we had seen around mid-noon is not there. There's a considerable, see, the stones are being pelted. Stones are being pelted at the police, and police is standing on the other side. So, they are all set and ready to charge with tear shells. Once again, they're gearing up. The senior officials of Kolkata police are standing here at Bara Bazar, and they're trying to disperse the crowd so that they don't come anywhere close to the Bara Bazar area. Huge forces mobilized here to douse the situation. It seemed in one moment the situation were under control, but now it seems that situation is far from over now. Continuous stone pelting happening. And police is also maintaining caution so that their act do not harm any protester grievously. So they're using tear shells to disperse the crowd, to have it work as a deterrence at the moment. Back to you.
All right, with those pictures that have been coming in of the Akrosh in Kolkata, many of those protesters that have been pushed back to a certain limit there, but they have been continuing, police again or not, but this is almost close to 2 hours now. Shreya is also with us right now. Close to 2 hours now, Shreya. Ever since these protests have began, many of those areas that were reported were with the clashes with the angry protesters and with the forces also down there. Has the situation now changed?
Well, of course, the situation has not changed a bit. We see continuous confrontation between the police force and the protesters. What we are necessarily seeing is that police is trying to take control of the MG road, and when the protester tried to advance, the police force have once again chased them. Right now, you can see one of the protesters is being detained. Let us try to get in a word from him. You can see how police is detaining the protester. Dada, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
सर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
So you can see they are saying that we are not guilty, we haven't done anything, we were just protesting. And police is detaining the protesters one by one. This is all happening in MG Road. Remember, this has been turned to a literal battleground here. We see huge confrontation between police and the protesters. They're using the bus to carry the detainers. They're detaining the protesters. You can see this is all happening in MG Road, and the police continues to chase the protesters away.
All right, but what happens to the protesters now, Shreya? Are they huddled in one area? Will they charge at the police again, or they have been dispersed by the police?
Well, of course, so far we don't know if the police is going to disperse them, but what we see is that continuously protesters are being detained, and we see, as far as the police is concerned, this is what the police has been doing for the last 30 minutes now. Remember, these are the protesters who have marched towards Howrah Setu, where barricades were put up, steel barricades were put up, their tear gas and water cannon were there. Now, when the police could not stop this protester, that is the time when the police have hit the street, and necessarily they are taking capture of the MG Road one by one. Another protester is being detained. You can see that protesters are being detained. Dada, क्या कह रहे हैं?
এগুলো কোনো যুক্তি আছে? আমরা তো বাধা করতে আসছি, বাধা করতে আসছে।
So you can see they are saying that they are being illegally detained by police. They have not done anything. They were doing a peaceful protest. But we have also seen that the protesters were. We saw how this road, in this MG Road, on one side it was the police who were creating a fortress and standing. On the other hand, it was the protester, and tear gas was being fired from the police side, and the protesters were also stone pelting at the police.